So when you start your Microsoft Word, you have two options. You can use the templates we have here, or you can go ahead and choose a blank document. So let's choose a blank document. So this is our Microsoft Word interface. We are going to navigate this interface. So the first thing I want us to talk about is the ribbon. The ribbon is made up of the tabs together with their group of commands. So we have the home tab here, we have the insert tab, the draw tab, the design tab, the layout tab, references, mailings, view, and then we have help here. So if you look at the home tab here, it contains certain groups. So this is the clipboard groups. It contains the paste, cut, copy, and then the format painter. So the next group we have in the home tab is the font group, which contains the fonts, its size, the bold, italic, and the line, and other group of commands here, including the font color and the color fill. And we also have the paragraph groups, which contains the alignment, and then other tools like sorting, and then how to apply numbering and all that. And then we also have the styles here, the styles group. We have the editing and then the add-ins groups. And then when you come here to the insert tab, it contains groups like pages. Of course, you can add a cover page. You can also add a blank page to your document. You can insert a page break here if you want. And we have the tables group here. You can insert a table to your document if you want. You can add a number of rows and columns in your table. All those settings are here. So if you want to insert the table, just choose insert table. When you choose insert table, it gives you the option of adding the number of columns and then the number of rows. So you can do all that in the insert tab. And of course, we have the illustration group here, which contains tools like the picture. So when you click on it, it gives you the option to add a picture from your device, or you can select stock images if you are connected to the internet, or you can go online and search for pictures. And of course, we have shapes here, we have icons, 3D models, smart arts, screenshots, and charts. All these are part of the illustration groups. And then we have links here. You can add a link, you can bookmark, you can cross reference, and you can add a comment. And of course, we have the header and the footer here. You can insert page number, and we have the text group here. You can add a text box, you can add word arts, signature, date and time, and other tools. And of course, we have the symbols. You can add mathematical equations and symbols. And we have the draw tab here, which contains these tools you can use to draw in your document. And of course, we have the design tab here, which contains different types of document formatting. You can use all this to format your document. And we have references group here, and you can add your table of contents, you can update your table, you can do a lot of things. And then we have the footnotes group. You can add your footnotes, you can also insert endnotes, you can also insert the next footnote. And of course, we have the research tab here. You can use it to do a lot of research. And we have the creator and biographer and other groups here. And we have mailings here. We have review. So if you look at the review, it contains tools like the spelling and grammar. So when you type a document and you make a lot of mistakes, you can use this tool here or this feature here to find the spelling mistakes, and then Word will automatically correct them for you, or it will suggest the wrong words for you so that you can make the corrections. When we have the thesaurus, we have the word count and other tools here. And of course, we have the view tab, which contains the read mode. So when I click on the read mode, this is what I get when I click on the read mode. And then the next mode we have the print layout, and then we have the web layout. So all these are part of the view tab, and we have other tools here. So this the ribbon for you. So the ribbon is made up of your tabs together with their group of commands.